This video tutorial explains how to connect a MOVNORM series monitor to a Sony A7 V camera via a wired connection. Connect the control cable to the monitor's remote port and the camera's Type-C port, respectively. At this point, a USB connection mode selection window will appear on the camera. Select Remote Shooting. Then tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu and select Camera. Choose USB. When the camera control menu appears, it indicates a successful connection. Click Rec to start or stop recording. In still shooting mode, click Shoot to trigger the camera shutter. Click Iris to adjust the aperture. Click Shutter to adjust the camera shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's ISO sensitivity. Click Focus in AF mode. You can perform touch focus and tracking focus. In MF mode, you can adjust the focus point using buttons. Click Zoom to control the camera's zoom function. This requires using a power zoom lens or changing the zoom mode to digital zoom. Otherwise, this parameter cannot be controlled. To set up digital zoom, follow these steps. Tap Menu to open the camera menu. Go to the shooting menu. Swipe down to the zoom section. Select Zoom Range. And then choose Digital Zoom to complete the setup. Click WB to change the white balance mode. When the white balance mode is set to K, click CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to Auto, click EV to adjust the exposure compensation. That's all for this tutorial on connecting a MOVNORM series monitor to a Sony A7 V camera via a wired connection.